That's ridiculous.
It's only in the watch. So
You get that
It ain't that crazy yet. Which one? I mean, so much shit in here. I just like the
the
snow
Sun
cookies.
Sweet.
Oh yeah, I'll play that next. Shit.
No Hands has good bass at the beginning too. Have that on there. No Hands by Walker.
Oh yeah. This is too low though.
Yeah, it's in real low.
It's too low. I mean, on 800 watts, so I ain't got much power to move the sub yet. So.
Recording?
Yeah.
Take a picture too, because I want you to send it to me.
I'm putting this on Facebook.
That is so sick.
I'm sending it to my
It's
friend
not
because he
moving.
brags about his system.
I'm getting that.
I've never seen anything. I want all of those in my room.
Dude, could you imagine just laying in there?
Go to sleep.
I wonder how much that was.
You wake up.
Oh yeah?
I wonder how much that was.
It's a lot.
Yeah. We wear dentures.
Skate over.
There's someone that got this, baby.
Nice. Got a good picture, right? Is it supposed to do that?
No. But
Mine's
the
doing
bass
it
is
too.
So,
It's like-
so powerful.
It's only.
Use it in movies.
It's crazy, man. I don't want to play it too loud. I don't want people to be complaining around here.
I gotta show you the recording.
That's ridiculous.
Like it looks like it's wobbling.
That's crazy.